Do, 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 do. Okay, we are live. Jacob, yes. Everything is good. Yes. Dun, 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 dun. So this is where we stopped yesterday. Okay. Mm. Let's try today to make the task list work. Let's fucking comment this authentication thing. Okay. Please for now comment the whole clerk out so we can test normally. Hola. Another cool thing that I want to show you today is the remote agent thing. So we can ask, let's say, please check my whole AI task implementation and improve or fix the natural language to task process. Let's get back to our agent. Okay, now it shouldn't ask us for authentication. Branch. Okay, not. Mm, let's see what's the problem now. In the meantime, let me get my saved files that we are gonna check today. The saved pages. So it's this one, This
I built
one,
this subscription tracking app in under 30.
this one, this one, and a super broken website.
If you've been using Claude Code a lot recently,
Okay, shut up for me. So let's see everything we have. Google Cloud Run. I need to test the Google Cloud MCPs. Let's see deploy app directive from cloud. Mm, let's see. Google Cloud Run MCP.
Okay, so this morning Claude Code released something called hooks. So this
Data. Enable MCP compatible AI agents to deploy apps on Cloud Run. Okay. Local MCP. Okay. That's pretty interesting. I need to find a use case for this. So we just archive it here. But just like this, you can have access to Google Cloud Run. So you can just deploy anything. Now I'm waiting for Vercel version of this. I mean, they have a good CLI, I think. And they showcased an MCP server a while back, but I'm still waiting for the official one. So, okay. Jesus, too many errors. Hmm. Okay, it's messing with the schemas, so it's gonna take a while. So another thing is this one I saved, I think for the extension side. CodeRabbit I already know is like a code reviewer thing. So for example, let me Rabbit. So is this one? It's a code review assistant, and you also have the extension here. So it just helps you with here, just helps you review your code. So it's both vibe code and vibe reviewing. The other cool thing is that when you create a PR, it will analyze that PR for you as well. So both stuff pretty cool. This is super worth it. Mm, let's see what other problems we have. I mean, I guess it's gonna take a while to fix everything. So okay, but I saved this for the second extension. So yes, it's this one. So it's sneak security. There should be an extension that checks security, like does security audit to your code. Yes. Let's see the pricing if they have a free plan. Okay. Google. Mm, No, thank you. Connect your code via GitHub or CLI. It's okay, GitHub. Yes. Okay. And you authenticate. You get the passkey. So it's pretty funny because, in my opinion, what we are gonna get at one point is not like one swarm AI agents that do everything with like vertical products, each doing one thing pretty good. So this part of, let's call it vibe reviewing, it's something that was not super on point lately. I mean, give me a second, guys. My brain is so fucking fried. It's 9:42 a.m. So what I was saying, vibe reviewing is gonna be really, really interesting in the future. Also, you are probably seen in your timeline on Twitter people that gets hacked or their product gets fucked because they have insecure endpoints, they have private keys in the front end. I've seen a ton of shit. Like, and if you wanna have free private keys, you just ask OpenAI private keys on GitHub. You will find a lot of stuff. So let's see what this does. Code security analysis. Yeah, I need to test this. This seems pretty cool. Scanning and auto fixing. I mean, the scanning part, I think it's the best thing. I don't like tools that do some stuff and then try to code as well. Because honestly, right now, coding agents like Cloud Code, even Cursor, are so good at their job that those products cannot mm, do better than that. So honestly, the future I see for those kind of products, like CodeRabbit, for example, that has extensions for Cloud Code, Drew Code, etc., it is just providing information to the agent, and then the agent works on their own. So let's see, branch. Okay, okay. I'm unauthorized. Interesting. Test endpoint is still using private procedures. Okay, okay, okay. Whatever. So at least now we have tasks. Edit inputs. You can edit the task. I don't see the task here. Oh, okay, they don't save. Perfect. So amazing. So let's start with just local storage for now. We can use, I think, Daxi. Let me think about it. Let's start to implement our, or better, let me check. What's the remote agent up to? Here. Okay. Sequential thinking, blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's continuing. I asked Augment called remote agent to take care of the task parsing thing. So let's see when he hands and what he gets us. In the meantime, let's see. Okay, so yeah, I was checking this. So this is like scribe. Amplify is super, super good. And I think that's it from this video. Yes. So what else? Oh, Code Rabbit, I was mentioning. So basically, you can tell him, look, I want to fix my stuff on Cloud Code instead of native stuff. So you will just give context to Cloud Code, and Cloud Code it's okay. Don't get me wrong. CodeRabbit is an amazing product, but again, it will never be as good as coding as Cloud Code. Uh, because they are doing two different stuff. So that's why I'm using Cloud Code, or you should use like the other CLIs too. So let's see when this is done. I'm gonna create a PR. I will show you something pretty cool. So client drew code. They whole implemented CodeRabbit. Super huge. What's this? Remember. Okay, this I need to check out, but it's not relevant for us right now. It's okay. One thing I want to check today, and it's really important, it's Cloud Hooks. In the new, what is this? In the
You've
new
probably
updates, basically, I will show you later. It's a bit complex to explain like this. But
found it quite difficult to step
what's
away
this
from a
video?
coding session because it constantly is asking you for permission to run
Hmm.
commands, search the internet, or to do file edits and things like that. This is generally a good thing because it protects you from the agent doing anything that could potentially harm your machine, like removing files, for example.
Oh, it's the dev container thing. Okay. Okay. Basically, what this video is you probably know that Cloud Code can technically run in YOLO mode, and it can do basically everything on your machine, and that's super fucking dangerous. I don't even need to explain this. But one thing is we can technically spin a dev container from Cursor itself or wherever IDE. And so spinning this, technically everything it does, it's secluded in that container and it will not destroy your PC.
And then we can choose the reopen
So yes, I need.
update to the homepage without. We can see that the homepage is now running. One thing I did have to change in.
Yeah, I need to check this. You guys should check this too, so you can run Cloud Code in YOLO mode with your tree configuration, Tmax, wherever, but inside that containers, so it doesn't break your machine. What else? This one. I need to check Cloud Code hooks. So they just released this, I think. Let me zoom in a bit. They can do notification, automatic formatting, so they can run prettier, for example, logging, feedback, and custom permissions. Okay. Let's test this. First of all, G. Okay, let's minimize the bar. Slash hook hooks. Okay, notifications. Event notification or send commands. That's okay. That's interesting. I wanna do something. You're solely responsible for configuring and topic provides no warranty. Okay, wherever. Hmm. I want to make a simple script that uses Telegram APIs to send a message to a Telegram bot when something is done. Let's see how we can do this. First of all, where is the notification thing? Notifications. Okay. Now let's open a new project, new window. Let me create a quick folder. Give me 1 sec. Coding, blah blah blah. Yes. Telegram ping. Yeah, why not? The interesting thing is, how does it take care of uh, environment variables? That's something I didn't get from the article. CLD. Oh, because those are shell commands, so technically I can export the MV and should have access to it. Okay, let's start with a simple plan. So let's say create a project, a Python project with UV in it, and the script should have inline dependencies. And what it does is pretty simple. It sends a message to a specific user to a specific Telegram bot. Tell me how do we no we are gonna execute this as a bash command. So let me know let me know how do we take care of the ends. I don't want to hard code them in the script. Ultra think about this implementation, and that's it. Let's see what it does. Another one that I want to test is feedback, because technically we can recreate, let's say, what CodeRabbit is doing just by asking Cloud Code to review his own code after he's done. So I think I had a couple of prompts for those stuff. Where the fuck did I put them? Yeah, here. So I have an initial simple prompt that I wanted to add some slash command, because you can add like custom commands to Cloud Code. But let's see if we can add it as a hook instead. So let me get to T3 chat. Let's create a prompt. T3 chat. Okay. Let's use O3. For me, see why I have those models that are not my favorite models. When the fuck they showed up? Where is O3? Okay. Okay. That's what happens when Theo changes database 6 times in a row. So let's say I have this security prompt that I want to run every time I'm done coding. Please improve it so it follows best coding security practices. And technically, we can also do one that does automatic testing, but that's gonna be a bit trickier because it's related to the code base itself. So it should be different, for example, for a Python project or for a TypeScript project, etc., etc. But let's see what he came up with. Mm, Okay, what's Cursor doing in the meantime? Inline or we run? Okay, let's do it. Was doing the other right here. Okay, that's done. Let's create a PR. So basically what he did is he spinned up his own VM. He wrote 8,000 lines of code. What? Okay. And I can create a PR out of the Augment agent. So let's see. And one thing is Cloud Code can review PRs. So if you do review plus the number or the name of the PR, it can review it for you. Hmm. I mean, I didn't see him creating Telegram like using UV but whatever, thing is gonna figure it out. Come on, a tree, you can do it. Yes. Okay. One super cool things about UV is that you just select the Python version, the dependencies, you do vrun, and it's gonna install the dependencies, do everything for you. Game changing. I hate Python, but UV makes it great. So let's see. Telegram ping, okay. Okay. Well, of course, he doesn't have the EV sheet, so the M sheet. Let's see. Okay, we just need to export those two things. Give me a second. Mm, How do I do this? In the meantime, let me get the two ants. Okay, one is this one. Mhm. Edit your bot. This the bot father is not working. The fuck? Okay. Okay, I have it. Also, I need my UID. This one. Okay. Okay, perfect. So again, how do I export those two? How do I export those two? Which commands should I run? Okay, let's do this. Can you call them Telegram bot token ping? So they are specific to this code base. Okay, perfect. Let him do these changes. What the fuck is O3 doing? Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Wherever. I have this security prompt. Please improve it so it follows best coding practices. Let me get the thing again. Search. Let's do this. This is also done. So let me do those two things here. Clear. No. Export. Okay, that's done. And that's done as well. Clear Cloud. And now let's set up this hook. Flash hook. The fuck? Hook. Okay, notification. Add a new hook. Command. Okay. Which command runs this to this code base? Okay, that's the command. Ruby run, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if that's how it works. Let's put in user settings. Okay. Can you test the Telegram? Oop, let's yes. Oh, you're never gonna find it. Let me copy path. This is the path. Okay, it worked. Nice. Can you change my hook so it does know where the path is? That's what I love about Cloud Code. Like you don't know how to use Cloud Code, ask Cloud Code, and he's gonna use himself. That's crazy shit. But yeah, I can tell you that the message worked perfect too. So just received the message on Telegram. That's super fucking cool. Like you can spin a couple of agents, tell them do stuff in parallel, and yeah, it's gonna do it. So I will leave this code somewhere. Maybe I can make a post about it. Yes, let's do a post for it. So first of all, let's go to Carbon. I think it's the name Carbon. Let's create a screenshot so we can flex it. Um, let's do set it's okay. Auto, it knows that it's Python. Let's make a tweet. It's a bit long for a tweet, but wherever. Export. Let's go to X. Hmm, that's a bit long. That's not aesthetic. Hmm, we should have like a way to crop this. Wherever thing. With the new you can you can ask your coding agent to send you a Telegram message once its process is done. Code down below. Okay, add code. Let's just add all of this here. I mean, let's just create a public repo. It's a bit more. It's a bit better. And let me create a public repo real quick. Yes. GitHub new Telegram ping hook private. No, it's public. And can you create a README for this, please? Let's create a quick README. Let's just crop this thing. Let's delete all of this shit and put. It's okay, whatever. Did you make the README? Yes. So let's set up this README as well. Add the README file. Create repo. This is public. Okay, so README. Add file. Create new file. Let Telegram ping.py and the README. Let's just edit this. All perfect. And now we have the Telegram hook. Amazing. Twitter is so good. Best platform in the world. Okay. Okay, that's done. That's super easy, Jesus. Wow. So this is working. Let me check the terminal if everything is good. Blah blah blah. Okay, yes. And the Cloud hook is updated as well. Oh, okay. Cloud code, and that's it. Nice. That's pretty cool. So everyone, you can check in my profile. The light? Yes. Fuck it up. Okay, for a second I just saw the live stopped completely. So I don't know. Let's see what's happening in the Twitter live stream. I think it's still going. Okay, it freezes for a while. Okay, for a second I just saw the light. The fuck? It looks like my brain just had an need to strike. Well, okay, that's posted. That's done. That's one of the cool feature of Cloud Code. Like that's the easiest one of the hooks thing. I wanna also have this logging is pretty cool as well. I think I should make a whole video about Cloud hooks. This could be really, really cool. But let's get on track again with our thing. Oh, he created a PR. So let me go to GitHub. So um is Lovi branch this one. So this is the PR. You just take the PR, take the name here, and just you just ask Cloud Code like /review plus PR name, and it's gonna review it for you. And that's pretty cool. Let's see if there is something cool on Twitter that we can check. Hmm. Oh yes, actually. Open Router just announced a new model that is a stealth model. Now, a quick explanation if you guys don't know what stealth models are from Open Router. Some of the big AI companies like Anthropic, OpenAI, XAI, etc., before launching the actual model, they're gonna launch it in stealth in Open Router. So this is called Cypher Alpha or something. Alpha, this one, yes. So it's totally free. It has 1 million context window, 10K max output, totally free as I said, and it's 80 TPS. It is pretty good. So it's interesting to understand if this is like a new 4.1 model from OpenAI, that is the only one that has 1 million context window, or if it's a new Gemini model. So this is a clocked model, yes. It's an all-purpose model supporting real-world long context tasks, including code generation. But one thing I don't understand is I checked this yesterday, and I think it said that it doesn't do tool calling. So maybe I was just I don't know, saying bullshit. So, but I want to try this so hard. I will check reviews on YouTube before trying it, so to understand if it's worthy or not. But technically, since it released yesterday, someone should already have reviewed it. Let's see. This is Theo changing database again. Rust stuff. No. Cypher Alpha. free model. Let's see. Nothing. I mean, we can test it with a couple of prompts. Let's say, how many hours the word strawberry has? Amazing. That's a really cool model. Are you sure? Mm. Okay, okay, okay. What's the website to do the hexagon thing? Perplexity. Let me just. What's the hexagon prompt eval, and which website I can use to test it? Mm, come on, Perplexity, you're better than this. Oh, I think shit. It's already 10:30, guys. We round out of time. Just I will. I need to hand the live here. We didn't do anything today. Amazing. So time flies when you test some random shit. But yeah, I will test this model. I will make maybe a couple of posts about it. Let's see if it's good or not, and I will report back if it's a good model. For now, see ya. See ya tomorrow.